Welcome to Cougar Fashion, lovely viewers. Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into a fun and confidence-boosting topic: why women over 40 look absolutely stunning and sophisticated in short dresses. Fashion doesn't have an age limit, and when styled right, a shorter hemline can highlight your confidence, grace, and timeless allure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mature content. Tip 1. A powerful tip for red dresses: keep everything else simple and let the dress be the star. Pair your red dress with neutral shoes, nude, black, or metallic, and minimal jewelry so the bold color highlights your confidence and looks elegant, not overdone. Tip 2. The most flattering accessories for a pink dress are delicate metallic jewelry, a simple clutch, and soft-toned shoes. Silver or gold jewelry, a nude or light-colored bag, and neutral or metallic heels keep the look elegant and let the pink stand out beautifully. Tip 3. For dark tone dresses, a great styling rule is to add one light or metallic element so the outfit doesn't look too heavy. Try pairing them with nude or metallic shoes and a lighter clutch or jewelry to create contrast, brighten the look, and keep it elegant. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these style tips and feel more confident in your dresses, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new fashion tip for women over 40. Share your favorite dress look in the comments, and see you in the next video.